Hello, this is Mr. Gomez, and just really quickly, I'm going to show you how to download some of the apps that you may need for this class. Um, if you are going to do these assignments on your smartphone. I'm using an Android phone here. So I am using the Google Play Store. I'm using the Google Play Store. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to be looking for two things today is Google Slides and Google Docs. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look for Google Slides. And so there it is. So here's Google Slides. Here's the icon. And I'm going to open that. And Google Slides is free. And I can install it on my phone. So I'm going to tap install, the green button. So I'm just going to wait on that. And then there we go. And so we have it now. So I can just open the app, and there we go. So this is just an introduction. So I'm just some things that you can do with it. I'm going to tap done. And then here we go. So this is all of our Google Slides. If you want to make a new slide, you can click there's a plus button right here. So if you look right here in the bottom corner, if I want to do a new Google slide, I can click on or tap on the plus button right here. Or if I want to open up a Google slide, I can just tap on the little thumbnail here, thumbnail, that's right here. So for example, for our practice assignment, I can just tap on this. So to open up a Google slide, you can just tap on it and it will open. Or if you want to start a new one, you can just click that plus sign here. You can tap the plus sign. Okay, so that's how you install Google Slides. Now Google Docs is very similar. So I'm going to go back to the Google Play Store, and I'm going to look for Google Slides or Google Docs. And so DOCS, and so I look for Google Docs, and there it is right here. Now you install it the same way that you installed Google Slides. Okay. And so that's it. And of course I already have it open here. So I can open it. But yeah, you would go here to install it, just like you did Google Slides. Okay, so that's how you get these two apps for your smartphone. And once again, if you're going to be doing your homework on your smartphone, you will need these two apps to do it. All right, thank you very much and have a good day.